What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have a Starbucks video for you guys. So for today's video I found this on TikTok. There isn't a recipe, I just know the name of it, so I hope that they know what I'm talking about when I ask for it. It's called a cinnamon almond milk macchiato, so I guess it kind of just explains itself. I'm not really sure, I could not find the recipe to save my life, so I hope that they know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you guys are excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks and hope they have it. Do you guys have a cinnamon almond milk macchiato?
Yeah, I can do that.
Can I get that in a tall as well, please? Thank you, have a great one.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so I have the iced, or the cinnamon macchiato. I got it iced. So they made it, it says a tall iced caramel macchiato, no vanilla syrup, sub cinnamon dolce, and add cinnamon dolce on top. So I guess that will be the recipe we're going off of here, because there isn't really a recipe to go off of. So we're gonna try it. I don't know if you're supposed to stir this up. I don't think I've had a macchiato before. I don't remember. Okay. Oh wow, that's actually really good. I actually really like that. Oh, are we on to something here? So it's actually really, really good. I didn't expect it to be this good. I actually would probably order this again. It tastes, how would I describe it? It's, okay, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the milk after you finish your cereal, that's kind of like what that milk tasted like on the bottom. And then obviously there's coffee in here, so it tastes like coffee with that. It's actually really, really good. I totally recommend it for you guys. If you haven't tried this before, or if you want to try something like this, I totally recommend it. It's really, really good. I would give it a 8 out of 10. So good. I will probably finish this. I'm actually gonna save some for my husband though, because I want him to try it. I want to see how he thinks it is, because he's a coffee lover. I want to see what he thinks. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below video ideas for future. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you do try this. I would love to know, and I would love to know your thoughts on it. And I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.